Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about NinjaTrader and Quantower, and I will help you to decide which trading platform is better in 2025. So let's start with NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is a robust platform for futures, forex, and stock traders with deep charting tools and algorithmic trading support. It is popular with day traders due to its real-time order flow and market depth data. Quantower, on the other hand, is a newer multi-asset trading platform with modern UI and multi-broker support. It is built for customization and flexibility. So let's compare the two. Number one, their charting tools. NinjaTrader offers excellent order flow analysis, footprint charts, and advanced indicators, while Quantower also has a pro-grade charting with heat maps and tick charts, but it is more slightly intuitive. Number two, their broker integration. NinjaTrader is tied primarily to its own brokerage or selected partners only, while Quantower supports dozens of brokers and crypto exchanges, giving it more flexibility than NinjaTrader. Number 3, algorithm and automation. Both of them offer API and strategy building, but NinjaTrader has NinjaScript for deep strategy creation, while Quantower supports Python and Fix API, but it's more beginner-friendly for bots. Number 4, their performance and UI. Quantower has lightweight and responsive UI, while NinjaTrader can be heavy on resources, especially with multiple instruments open. Number 5, their pricing. NinjaTrader has a free version with limited features and a paid license model version, while Quantower's core is free and you can unlock modules a la carte or by subscription. So if you are focused on features with advanced execution, you can go with NinjaTrader. But if you want a cross-platform which is customizable and broker agnostic tool, Quantower is your top choice in 2025. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.